Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So here's another video with your girl Unruly Shana. So today I'm cooking some French fried chicken. So here is the chicken already. It's seasoned up. Yep, seasoned to the bone, you know. Yep. And here is the rice pot. Yeah, I'm gonna put the rice in the next 2 minutes. Watch out for the bubble, no man. Yeah. And also, this is the pot that I'm gonna French fry the chicken in. Yeah, man. Look pan garlic and something that go and burn and give oil flavor, no man. Yeah. And see the rice here done wash already and ready for go in a pot. Yeah. So yes guys, chicken done in my pot already. Oh, I think I the first one turn. Yeah, looking nice. I think the next one turn too. Ouch. Oh. So yeah man. Then the girl and Rolly Shana back at it again with another Sunday cooking. Happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mothers out there. Yeah, the pot there. Look for pot man. Yeah man, look for rice and peas. You may water just a take time dry down after it. Yeah, looking good. So yes guys, so your rice and peas looking low. It still wants to steam down some more. So I'll give it a few more minutes for it to steam more properly and get shelly. Yeah, so I'm just gonna close by the pot and make it go and steam out some more. You know? And over here now, here is the finished French fried chicken. I'm not quite finished yet. I'm still frying some more. But the mirror, I want them to finish already. See in the pot and now the chicken still go on fry there. Yeah man. I know the Shana style, yeah. So yes guys, meantime me there a cook, me there go and watch the weather. It's finally raining guys. I tell you, well, I'm really happy for the rain. I'm really happy for the rain. So I'm just giving you guys a little bit of my view. Yep. There we go. So this is the finished product of my vegetable. The chicken, well juicy and nice, seasoned to the bone. And I see that. Yep. And the finished product of the rice and peas. So yes guys, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to your girl Unruly Shana. Guys, help me run up my watch hours. I'm working on my watch hours. So you guys please help me out with that, okay? Please and thank you guys. Thank you guys for all your love and your support that you showed me. You know, big up on yourself. I'm out.